First, you'll need to have a recovery email set in the account settings, and then you'll also need the DMSS app. From here, when you try to draw the pattern, you can click Forgotten Pattern, and then you can click Forgotten Password. On this next prompt, you can click OK, and then you'll see two QR codes, one large and one small. You'll need to scan the QR code on the left hand side using the DMSS app. And of course this will then send the security code, will be sent to my email address, which you will also see pop up. So here, using the DMSS app, I scan the QR code, and then it will prompt me to say that a request has been sent. From here, you will see that I have received an email containing that code, and then as soon as I put the code in for the NVR, I can then reset the password to whatever I want it to be.